Really excited to be here. We have a new major part of our product to announce that I think is going to be great. Before we jump into that, what are people doing with geosocial services? And as we thought about that question, there were 4 main categories we came up with. People wanted to see where their friends are, to get deals, to have fun, to play games, and then to find places and read reviews about those places. And this 4th category on mobile, we thought was particularly underserved. And it's also really important to this vision we're all going after of connecting people to the world around them. Places are a huge part of that. And today, the way local search works is not very good. For a while, people talked about how when I want to find information about a place on my phone, I'll stand on a street corner and I'll search for Chinese food. And with the exception of traveling in a new city, that doesn't happen. People are doing that kind of a local search on their computers. And there are 2 very different local search cases on the phone. One is finding the phone number or address or something like that of a place that I'm already planning to go to. And Google and Microsoft do that very well. But this other thing is I'm already at a place. I planned a place on my computer, and now I'm sitting there, and I want to know extra information. I want to know what to order on the menu, the best drink to get, the best off-menu item. And that is not done very well. We've had web services try and sort of shoehorn themselves into mobile. And we've seen some stuff with micro-reviews, but we don't think anyone's figured that out yet. And so as we think about the local content or local search service we wanted, there were sort of 4 driving factors. It needed to be social. Social is always important, but sort of no time as much as in terms of local recommendations. We ask our friends where to go. We ask our friends what to get. Structure is a key thing we realized, and not something we've seen a lot of. People don't want to type out long reviews on phones. They certainly don't want to read them. And they want very quick data. They want a nice visual representation to see what should I order here, what's this place like. And structure also lets us make very specific recommendations. We can say, if you like this entree here, you'll probably like this other entree there. And it lets us get in, lets us dive down a level from these reviews of, is this place good or bad, to very specifically what's good or bad about this place. They want it to be easy. In general, mobile services succeed to the degree that they're easy. So we want to make it really, really easy to give us data, to look at data about a place. And finally, it needs to be relevant. Mobile users want to pull out their phone and have the data they want right there, without having to spend a lot of time. And they want it to be something personalized for them that helps them have a better experience. So if we put all that together, we get what we're calling looped queues. And the idea is these are questions, but really, really short. And you can answer them or review them when you're at a place. And we try to help users answer the questions that they generally have in a place or in a city. And so I'd like to show you a demo of how that works. So this will be launching first in the Bay Area. When you go to a place, you'll be able to start seeing these bar graphs of what the community has said about these specific items. And you can flip through them and see a lot of the most important things really, really quickly. Similarly, you can tap on one, see the people, more answers, but now you can start answering them as well. So just in a few taps, in this structured way, or you can write a comment if you want to add more, you can say, what dessert should I get? And that's really powerful. And we think that's what mobile content and mobile search for local really looks like. So when we aggregate all of that together, we also get this stream of what people are saying about places around you in real time. And this is great for time-sensitive things like parking at a concert or a show. And so you can get this stream, and you can say, here's what the people around me are saying right now. And our hope is that this will really sort of change the way people interact with places around them, and that for this use case that we're all trying to do, sitting in a place, looking at our smartphone, and trying to figure out what to order, or what concert to go to, this will really help with that. So thanks very much. Please let us know what you think. That's all.